In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how efficiency can help you to increase your Redbubble sales. I'm going to be talking about a method that I've used myself, a method that's very effective, and a method that's also helped a lot of you guys to get sales as well. So if you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that'll be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand stores. If you're new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button with the notification bell switched on. That way you won't miss out on any videos. We've helped a lot of people to get their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. And if you want extra information on how you can improve yourself, I have a free print on demand starter guide that's linked down in the description, as well as a paid step-by-step guide for anyone looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing. Now, as for efficiency, why is it important and what methods should you use with efficiency to get your sales up? Now, I'm gonna keep it plain and simple and I'll keep it quick, guys. Now, overall, being efficient means being able to work fairly quickly, and that's in terms of making your designs, getting your ideas, figuring out what works so you can capitalize on that more. So how do you do this? So the first step you want to do is within your research. You want to be able to find niches, trends, things that are working. And I mean, there's 3 methods out there. You can use the Redbubble method, where you go on Redbubble, you search by keywords and you see what's trending. Personally, when I first started, I used this Redbubble popular tags tool to get ideas. And I mean, since then, I've started to use different things such as Merch Informer, but research is very important. What you want to do whilst you're going through the research process, you want to make sure that you're writing down at least 40 to 50 ideas, obviously trademark checking them to see if they're okay. And then once you have your ideas, you then want to think about getting into designing them. Now, to get the best sort of efficiency when it comes to designing for those ideas, I would say firstly, start off by making one design for every single idea / niche that you've written down, mainly because this is going to be the first pull of your research. It's going to allow you to see what's working, what's not working. And how can you actually see this? To see this, you want to be making sure that your Redbubble account is linked to a Google Analytics account. And trust me guys, it's a game changer. Some of your designs may get 0 traffic. Some of your designs may only get 5 views every now and again, but you start to notice every now and again, there'll be some designs pulling in 10 viewers, 10 clicks, and they're the designs that you want to be pushing more and more on. Now, how do you then become efficient? Once you see which designs are bringing you clicks, you then want to scale those designs. Now, to scale designs, it's a very easy thing to do. You create a simple design that you can turn into multiple designs. And after finding your niches, making your first batch of designs, scaling will make everything a lot easier in regards of getting to your first sale or even increasing your sales if that's your target. So overall, it's important to be efficient. And if you want to be efficient yourself, check out this video here. I show you how you scale designs and more. And if you've made it to this point of the video, comment down efficient, and always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.